Guys, welcome back. Friday 150 out of here. Just out at Flanagan Reserve. It's a camping place for the weekend. It's about 2 hours or 2.5 hours actually from where we live at Toowoomba. So yeah, just down at I suppose the Boona, Raff Downy in that area. So I'm just here with Mrs. Prado, and Joshua and Penny should join us a bit later tonight. I think we're still friends, aren't we?
So far.
Kids aren't coming. The kids are bailed out. They're not coming tonight.
So I take off both these. Do I take both these straps off? Sorry. Yeah, the kids are bailed for tonight.
Yeah, one side only, and the others on the other side they just get pushed down.
Sure.
This is the office where you check in, and as you can see, there's plenty of firewood for sale.
Well, I think, how long do you reckon we took to do that, Shelley?
Oh, not
Half
too
an hour?
long. Yeah, that was pretty quick.
Half an hour, we've got a couple of lights up, the tent's up,
With a novice like
gazebo's
me.
up, and yeah, Shelley's just getting the dipping crackers out, eh?
You got a novice like me who goes.
Oh, you've done pretty good.
Doesn't know what to
So
do.
is this your first night, Shelley, on a proper camping
It's
little
my
thing?
first night with this.
I know.
Completely.
You're a bit nervous, weren't you? I think you're nervous about the rain, but we never
Yeah,
know.
the
We don't
weather.
know yet.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is our setup for tonight and tomorrow night, isn't it? So tent's there. We just pulled the car up next to the gazebo there, so we can access the back. And we will have a fire here at some point. Get that going. I snuck in the chainsaw. I'll have to show you that, guys. Got a chainsaw for my birthday, so that should be good. Hey.
Yep. Give it a crack.
There's a big wood pile over there. I just don't know how wet it is, but
To get it going before it gets dark.
yeah. All right. Well, we've got to lift the
Oh, you need
trailer
some
up so we can get some food out, eh? What do you reckon? And then I think I'm going to crack open a bourbon. I think that's a good idea. Yeah, Shelley, how you going there? What are you doing?
What am I doing?
How's your table going?
No, you got to put them on that first, don't you?
You got to put the ends on first, yeah.
These on first, don't you?
Yeah. You
Yeah.
said you knew how to do it.
I did, and then I looked at it and went, oh, maybe that's wrong.
Yeah. No, you got to put those long things on first.
Yep.
You're doing a good job there.
Yeah, thanks. There you go, got one on.
Excellent. So we can relax. But Shelley said she knew how to do this, so I just want to show you that she knows how to do it.
I do. See?
No, you're doing a good job.
Thanks.
You learnt from me when I learnt the hard way, hey?
That's right.
Oh. Perfect. The cracker table. It's a cracker table, eh? That's the King's cracker table. So guys, just going to get some ice out of the freezer, the King's fridge. So look at that, eh? Ice camping when you're camping. It's going to be for my bourbon, so pop that back. And now I've got this new product. It's called the squeezer. TheStandardSqueeze.com. Pour alcohol into the bottle. I've already done that. Squeeze to fill the chamber. Make sure you get, well, on the other side it tells you you've got 30 mils. See, that means that you're not going to get too drunk. And then you tip it out. It's just like, you know, when you mix up two-stroke oil.
Well, give us a demo.
All right, I'm just going to work out what to do. Here we go. Oh, I'll turn it the other way so you can see the mils. Fill her up, 30 mils. That's a standard drink, isn't it? And then make sure that side's tight. You don't want to put too much in there. Pour her in over the ice from the King's fridge. And there we go. Standard drink. And then I'm going the tonic water. You ever try bourbon with tonic water? If you haven't, it's a must. Reason why is I don't like, you know, Pepsi Max because it's got the fake sugar. and I don't like Diet Coke because it leaves an aftertaste. And full Coke's got too much sugar, so I've gone in between and I've got accustomed to tonic water. We even tried, what have I tried? Dry ginger ale in there as well, because that's even got less sugar than this. But I'm camping, so I'm going the whole log. Cheers, guys. We're gonna get back to I've got to get back to lighting that fire. Sweet as. Cheers. I forgot to stir it. Oh man, that is so good. This is great. Ooh. Cheers. Look at that, eh? I've got to cook for tonight, eh? I've got to cook. Awesome. So the kids didn't make it. It's just me and Shelley. What do you call this? A date camping night or something?
Yeah.
Is that what you call this?
Must be.
It could be scary, couldn't it?
Could be. Is that enough? Is that enough?
Oh,
Are you hungry? You want another spoon?
Yeah, another spoonful, eh?
Is that the way it goes?
Teaching her how to use my stove.
Sorry.
Stop saying my stove, isn't it?
Oh.
It's the only thing about because it's called a hypoplane. It's very hypo.
Huh. Is that right?
Yeah.
I've got some nice cheese to add.
Yeah, mate. Nice fire, couple of good chairs. And laughing. Plenty of light, plenty of bourbon. Good wine. How's that wine going?
Yeah, good, thanks.
You want a refill?
No, not yet.
Oh, I'm having a refill.
I'm not quite like you.
Oh, yeah, I'm going in for
I
my
have one
next
to your three.
Hey guys,
You did it.
Take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3. Just down at the water, eh?
We are.
Fair bit of water.
It's going pretty quick. Yep.
After all that rain.
I don't know if you'd get your tyres, the tube tyres in there and float down. You'd go pretty quick.
Yeah. So nice to have Mrs. Prado here for a change out. Enjoying the scenery. Yeah. Enjoying it?
I am.
That's good. Shelley's on the wood hunt. Wood hunt.
Like
Yeah.
them, or they be too
Yeah,
wet?
no, cool. I'm filming, so I won't have to pick it up.
Oh, there's our little home sweet home over there.
Well, we just done a bit of a walk through Flanagan's. Plenty of caravans, tents, swags, you name it, it's here.
Yeah, everything.
Very friendly, as in, you know, family friendly, kid friendly.
Bring your dog as long as it's on a leash.
So what were the rules here? You have to, if your dog gets off a leash and gets
You're
caught, they'll kick you out. They kick you out.
you're going home.
Yep. And curfew is what, 8?
8 p.m. no music, 9 p.m. no loud noise, and 10 p.m. complete silence.
So they're pretty strict here. If you
Yeah.
get, if you have a complaint about noise, they'll come and actually ask you to leave on the spot right then and there. Like, don't finish your night, you're going, that kind of thing. So
But it's good because it was super quiet last night.
very quiet, just a few dogs, but that's all right. We've got a dog as well at home, so we know what that's like. But yeah, overall, it was very impressive.
Yeah, it's nice.
We're just in for a bit of a relaxing weekend here, so we might go for a bit of a drive later and see what's around. But
Yep.
right now we're going to cook breakfast and get the fire going, put the feet up. My job this morning, Shelley. What do you want me to do? Do I do the fire?
No, I can. Yeah, if you do the fire, I can
You're
do
going
the
to
food.
cook, eh? Yeah.
Oh, yes, I can do the bacon and eggs.
Sprung.
Yeah, I was checking the radar.
Getting used to the
Josh
camera.
sent me the radar.
Yeah,
Look,
that's
it's
the
looking
radar.
pretty good. Probably can't see it, but
Told you, they're all scaredy cats, these guys, about coming out.
So there's not much on there today, but it is tonight. It is forecast tonight, but
As long
we'll
as they're
get through
asleep.
today.
We know we don't leak, so
Yep.
well, the tent doesn't
The
leak.
tent doesn't leak.
So
And the kids can go under the gazebo
yeah.
or the car awning if we need
Yeah,
to.
yeah, that's right.
So-
Yeah. So we're sorted, and
see how we
the
go.
swags don't leak anyway.
No.
It's just when you're in and out, getting in and out, I suppose it's a bit of a pain, but you get that.
Oh well, if they're undercover, they're all right.
Yeah.
And if
I just
come
gave
on
Shelley
a long
the tongs.
holiday,
And what was that comment you just made?
ugh, I said
They're
they're
all
greasy.
greasy.
If we go on a holiday together,
My thing is they
they're
do the job.
They're
Bit of grease keeps the rust out, doesn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
It's all right. I'm happy to give you the kitchen when we get the caravan. All right?
Okay,
It's your thing.
sure.
Yeah. Complete control of it.
No, I'm not having complete control.
Does that mean you do the dishes?
No. If I cook, then you do the dishes.
The boys gave me this Makita electric chainsaw. First time I get to use it, so I'm just going to chop up some wood, and we've gone the Makita brand. Good on you, Makita. Got myself a bit of wood now for the fire. Mrs. Prado wants a fire, so I'll go and sort that one out. Ah, yes. Well, guys, if I give this a out of 10, I think I'd give it a 10 out of 10. Works perfectly. Now, a hint that I got was don't leave this in the sand. Don't let sand get into it. Sand's what blunts the blade or the chain itself. So I haven't got it in the sand yet. It's done an awesome job. I just cut up a few. As I said, I bought a 2 5 amp hour batteries from Bunnings, and my sons bought me the skin. So that was my first go at it, really. So what do you give me out of 10 for that one? I'll give the Makita 10 out of 10 so far. This, eh? Thank you.
That's okay.
I'll try and eat it with my hands.
You're leaving now.
Are they?
Yep.
Kids are on their way.
Oh, yeah, we're going a bit quick.
It was fast Joshua. Always in a hurry. So always in a hurry, Joshua.
Gone.
Spotto Prado. Spotto.
It's all good?
Yeah, good. He's got a bag of
It's awesome, mate. I think the battery got a bit hot.
Hello, Penny.
Huh?
Battery got a bit hot.
Hot.
Good. Did you have a good drive down? Yeah?
Lucky I bought both batteries, eh? Waiting for you for ages. Hey,
It's a bit wet.
you bowled out on us last night. It's all wet
well,
around
it's
here, mate.
rain, mate.
Oh, well, I was saying, Dad, put him a like this so dry.
You knew Josh would be all over it once he got in.
I know. I saved some battery for him on the chainsaw because I knew he'd be into it.
Oh, you get a cold.
Hey, Josh. I knew you'd want to use a chainsaw. Yeah, some of it's a bit wet, green, whatever, so... Getting some coals, mate, ready for our baked potatoes tonight that you're not going to like, that you don't eat. How was the trip up, mate?
Good.
Bit of water around?
Oh, goodness,
Not really.
that's a
Few
big
good,
tan spot there.
Windy tracks, isn't there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can
Did you come through
see.
Boona or
I don't know where it's home.
just followed the,
Map.
yeah,
Last final.
awesome. How are you, Penny? Welcome to camping. This is Shelley's first time for the rooftop. We've even got 20-cent pieces for your showers, mate.
Same.
Hmm?
I've got a whole
Oh, we're
bag
right.
of it.
We've got a whole bag for you, mate.
Going her to knee.
How's the Mazda going? Make it all right?
Get going this
Good.
morning, was it,
flex
Chloe?
ramp on the log.
Hey,
Flex ramp on the log.
whatever you want to
It's a
do,
bit hard to get out of your nice
you
bed.
can do.
What's that thing here, Dad?
Oh, to hold the thing in line.
Hey, you coming to the front
Josh
with
is
me?
checking up on me, aren't you? He's already
Michael.
told me the trailer's not level. What else are you going to check out, mate? Make sure it's so good.
You did bring oil.
Yeah, that's good
Yeah.
oil, mate. That's called bourbon oil. Now he's
You
checking the
think
fridge
that
out.
was oil?
Yeah, he goes, I did bring oil.
What's that?
Oh,
I don't know.
tomato sauce.
That can stay in there for another
Someone
day.
opened the milk, so the milk leaked everywhere too.
Cheers.
You can have that, yeah, cheers,
No, you
mate.
have to cheers the camera.
No.
Ready? Now, I got a stubby. Come
Boys,
for a
mate,
walk with me,
boys.
guys.
Boys.
You better follow the green man.
I think it's in here.
Chloe, what's going on? I mean, Chloe, Penny, what's going on here?
She goes,
you
don't
bring
ask me.
Did you bring him?
Michael.
Michael, look at him, Michael.
What?
Move me jumpers out the way. And got this beauty.
Did you? Thanks. Did you get that for me? Awesome. What do you got in this little toolbox, Josh?
My tools are going everywhere.
They're the tools that I tried to do my oil change with that you've got.
Oh, are they your tongs you wanted? I have long handled tongs, and
You're pinching all my camping
so you get
gear.
this, guys.
Oh, perfect fit. You buy me one? I don't
Yeti
need one of
coolers. Now, look, it's stuck in there.
these. Nice.
I can hold the can, won't come out.
It's very good, mate.
What's in the freezer? Oh, there's not even any ice creams in there. That's a rip-off. and a
No, there's
half.
ice blocks for my bourbon. That's
Out of that oil bottle. Show Penny the oil bottle.
Hey, Mum, look at the
Cool.
it's make sure I get the right
That's
amount.
sweet.
30 mils,
And
not
do you know what, Penny?
not my
It's
normal
funny
100 mils.
Because he does it and he pours in 30 mils and he's like,
Why'd you get that? That's for Lachlan's
not very
boat.
strong, is it? It's not the Lachlan's boat. Read it.
Yeah, mate, I cleaned
Fishing,
out.
camping, camping, golfing,
Read it
festivals.
back. Read it back.
I cleaned out the two
Pour
stroke.
alcohol into the bottle.
Pour alcohol. I don't think that's.
Why don't you get one of these for Lachlan for his boat? Then you can actually use 30 mils.
No,
Where'd you get it from?
the standard squeeze?
it's called thestandardsqueeze.com.
How's me job going?
The job, yeah, good.
Anything in here I can take back?
You've already taken it back.
No.
No, get out of it.
Cooker.
You got your own car now, get out of it.
I'll just
What
put
are you
it,
doing with that bottle?
put it in my 10-cent bag. Wait, that's where my ratchet strap went. You have a tool roll here. Where's all your tools in there?
Don't have any, because you took them.
Yeah, you need to get
I'm
some
gonna
of
buy
your own. They'll give you one little 20. I got a new bin bag on the car. Come have a look. Come,
I
Michael.
noticed. I thought you had something on the bag. Ugh.
I didn't want to have
Oh,
baked
pardon
beans.
me. No, I
so
wouldn't have had
didn't
baked
get
beans
anything.
either.
I just had an apple.
I would have starved too.
And then
If faced with
We had-
baked beans or starvation, I'd starve.
we had butter chicken and
Where's your swag going to go, Chloe?
no idea.
See if we can fit you on this mat, eh?
That's yours, Josh.
Do it again.
Did it land on your toe?
Oh, being a smarty pants. You just said you peg yours out, so it takes more room.
Yeah, so he's got room to hop out on the mat.
So he's taking out more room. He's the one taking all the room.
Yeah.
So no one else can get their swag in there. Look how much space you got. You could get that really close to your swag. What's the name of this swag, Josh?
Look at the front, and then you find it. Here.
Chloe, can you come and help me?
Come here.
Where's my one that's already in there?
Okay. Yeah, there's one in
I'm
there.
here.
Yeah, what do I do?
You can have two, because you'll be covered.
What do you do first, Chloe?
We've got a Wanderer and a
The
Darshay.
them or the ends? I've never put it up.
Poles in first.
The other lock is on.
So this is Chloe's bed tonight, eh? Darshi. And Penny's got a Darshi as well. Oh, look at that. Yours looks awesome. I could just jump into bed now. Look at that. I bet you that's as comfy as, is it, Penny?
I'm sorry.
Ow.
Whoops.
There was a mozzie in there. You got it.
What size is that, Josh? What do you call that?
1100.
So is that like a big one or?
Yeah, this is the 9.
The medium size. Why don't you leave that in there?
So Josh, how does that compare to this one?
It's just wider, and it's got different poles.
It's got one pole.
This one's bigger probably, I don't know.
Looks awesome.
This will sit out when you get...
Is there another pole or not? Oh, that has to be clipped in, does it?
Yeah, and there's 2 ropes.
So how does that go compared to mine with 2 poles? Cool.
Just got rid of all the grass for you, Chloe.
And what's this one? The 900, is it?
30D 900.
Okay, there you go. Both don't leak, that's the main thing. Plenty of room.
None of them leak.
And this one is Joshua's Wanderer. I reckon his next swag's going to be in Darshi, eh?
No, rooftop tent.
Oh, okay, fair enough.
On the back of the ute.
Fair enough then. Yep, no worries. Alright, well we got the mat. You need to buy yourself a mat now. Look, you could have got 3 in there. Look how much room you got between.
Yeah, but not on the awning, you can't get 3. I'll have to move Penny's over, getting the awning, because look. If you want all in undercover, you have to put one under there.
Fair enough.
They'll all fit in the mat, but not under.
Do you know what you need, mate?
What?
You need to buy one of these for yourself. Actually, no, we decided we'd give you this. You can give us $100 towards it, because you broke the side of it.
No, what side
You
of it?
dented it, remember? And then you can get yourself, then we'll get a new one.
What did I dent?
Oops. So, here we are. I didn't get the name of this place. What's it
The
called?
olive.
Was Josh
The
right
olive
here
grove.
before?
Hang on, we're just videoing.
Where are we, the Olive Grove?
The olive grove.
So
the
just down
shed.
the road, basically, isn't it?
Yeah, the Shed Cafe.
They're only open on the weekends,
Yes.
Saturday and Sunday.
But they're licensed, so Michael reckons he's going to have a beer.
I just saw that sign on the way in. So we'll take you through, eh? We'll go and have a look. Josh and Penny are here as well. So go and check it out for you. That hasn't stopped you before, eh? Windows down.
Yeah.
Blueberry gin jam.
It's nice, isn't it? What are you looking at?
Blueberry gin jam. That'd be for you.
Is that gin jam?
Yeah. Blueberry
Is it
gin
alcohol?
jam. Yep.
How much alcohol is it?
Just gin. Doesn't say.
Not the gin I'm thinking of then.
Mango ginger lime. Really? What else would that be on a cheese putter?
Do you
Yum.
want some?
Sounds
Just
nice.
get it. Do you want to get it?
Yeah, I'll have
Hey, Mum. Mom, feel this.
Oh, that's nice, isn't
That
it?
is really nice. Can I have
It's
it?
very. No, I'm not.
Look at it in the inside.
Yeah.
What can you see, Chloe? Ice cream, eh? What's your favourite ice cream, Chloe?
Yeah, I like 2 different flavors, 2 butter.
Which one are you getting? Which one's your favourite?
That one?
Oh, that looks alright. Have you made a decision yet?
Well, I've got 2 spoons.
What flavour did you get?
I got lemon, raisin, and chocolate.
Oh, yummo. Where are you going to sit next to
Whoa,
Josh
look at
or
that,
next
eh?
to Dad? Or do you want me to move down?
Daddy didn't
No, I can
check your
make
Snapchat.
Why? No, I haven't checked that yet.
Check your
There you go,
Snapchat.
Dom.
How come?
This is really hard.
Because you have
It
to
would have
look
been
at-
hard to
I was
choose.
just standing.
Oh, here you go. I'm chopping it in half so you know.
Oh, is that KFC?
Mark
We're being
doesn't
good,
eat
so we don't
everything.
share it. I mean, we're sharing it to be good.
That's right. There we go.
And a hot chocolate.
Yeah, that's mine. Thank
Hot
you.
chocolate, yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. So guys, oh no, I say that, am I? I'm not allowed to say, hey guys.
You're not allowed to say. You don't say. You just start video.
Well, we're back at camp here.
No, you don't even say that.
Not allowed to say that either. Man.
You just go, dinner's in. You say we're back at camp.
We are back at camp. We're back at camp. Josh has got his car muddy. I don't know how he got the car muddy, but he did. He managed to. And we've got the fire cranked up a bit. And we've got the potatoes in the fire in there. So they're all started. They should be ready in about an hour, isn't it? What are you putting in those, Shelley?
I've got a smoked chicken, pulled chicken. It's ready. It's just got to get reheated.
Yeah.
And sour cream and cheese,
No worries. We might be getting a bit of rain tonight, is that right?
possibly.
Who's the
Ask
forecaster
Josh, he's
here?
the radar man.
How much rain are we getting tonight, Josh?
Don't know, nothing's coming up.
Nothing's coming up. Good, that's good. But anyway, just in case, we just put the awning out from the car to help protect the swags. And Chloe, well, she's right underneath us, so we'll see how that one goes. But just a bit of extra protection, hey, from the elements.
Looks like we should get some soon.
Soon.
Yeah.
Lucky we got the potatoes in then.
Moderate rain.
Moderate rain.
What time?
Where are we at Rough Danny?
Ish, yeah.
4:15. Current time.
Doesn't say what time.
Oh, Josh. Like, is it?
6?
You reckon dinner time? After dinner?
I reckon 7 o'clock we can get some rain.
Oh, there you go, eh? See, that's
All
why
right,
we.
we've had dinner by then, we'll be right. We're all protected.
We
Might
can be sitting in
have to
bed.
stoke that fire up a bit more, Josh. What do you reckon?
Booner. I reckon by 6:30, 7 o'clock we'll be getting like moderate rain.
Okay, that's why I put the potatoes on now then.
Sounds good. And now you know what it's time for? It's time to hit the squeeze bottle. The special squeeze bottle. So Joshua thought it had oil in it. It's got the oil, it's got the bourbon oil, mate. It's got the oil, that's for sure.
The Lockie's boat. Lockie, you'd think that would great.
It won't run very well on bourbon, but I don't know, you never know. Have you ever tried running your two-stroke on bourbon?
Beat some really fine and kind that's really good.
Alright. Well, it's the not so joyfulness of camping when it's raining. We're all kind of huddled under the gazebo. Josh has gone over shower, driven the car over. I suppose that's not a bad idea. I mean, nothing leaks once you're in the swags and the rooftop. There's nothing leaking, but it's just you know, this kind of thing where you're standing around trying to stay under cover. Just going to go see what Mrs. Prado's up to. So just skip across here. So what have we got here, Shelley? Amongst the rain.
Potatoes done in alfoil in the
Fire.
and they've turned
So they've
out
come out
absolutely
alright, eh?
perfect.
Yeah,
Then we've got some of this. Oh, I threw it in the bin.
that's right. Just tell us.
Stuff.
Yeah,
Smokehouse, locally done in Toowoomba,
yeah.
and it's pulled chicken.
So you just
Wood
cook that in
fried,
some
wood
water.
smoked chicken.
So you put that in some
It's
boiling
already
water?
cooked
Yep,
in a little steam pouch, so you're just
excellent.
reheating it basically.
So what do you got there? A bit of cheese
Cheese.
and some
sour cream.
to go on there. Look at that, baked potatoes. We did that in the fire, in the hot
Before it
coals.
rained.
In the rain even.
Lucky it cooked before it poured.
So I think we've done all right, eh? Given
Yep.
the rain's dying off a little bit.
It's meant to come back though according to the rain.
So we've got Chloe, she's sleeping under here. I mean, these swags are fine, they don't leak or anything, but it's just when you're getting in and out, isn't it, really? But Chloe's inside the car watching Netflix. And these are the other swags here, under the awning. There's a bit of water coming through underneath, but that's all right. Hey, we're out camping, we're not at home mowing the lawn. Look at that. Whew. We've both done a good job there, haven't we, Shelley?
Oh, yeah, you've done a great job. You
Well, you're
you
doing
got
the
good
finishing.
coals.
No, but you got the finishing product. Look at that.
Yeah, you got good
That is
coals.
awesome. What else do you put in there? You put, like, I suppose tomato sauce
You can
might
put
ruin
tomato
it.
sauce if you really want, but
Oh, I
that's
might
it
have a
then.
little bit on the side there, you know.
All right, are those two coming out?
Hey, Penny and Josh, were you coming out?
Can you bring it here, Mum?
You serious? Nah, you can come and get it.
Are you sure?
We had to go through Barney.
Sorry, love.
Top.
Go
Me
then.
and
No,
Penny-
liking it.
Me and Penny are going home in Josh's car. Leave the rest of you for here. How's that, Penny?
Well, seeing that Mum hasn't driven a manual in 5 years,
Yeah,
I
it's,
don't
like,
think she'll be able to get out of the
Three.
driveway.
3.
it's like riding a bicycle, really, isn't
Seriously?
it?
You do
You're
not think I can drive that car?
Mum, if you did that thing down there, you'd probably get stuck.
Like
Mate,
you did.
nearly got stuck.
No, I didn't.
Like
Yes,
you
you
did.
did. And
didn't
why?
get
Why?
stuck,
I don't
though.
have to drive on one of those tracks
I
to
did a
get home.
skiddy just then turning into here because
I
it was
don't
so
have to drive
soft.
on
Did you-
that
did you
road
feel
to
it?
get
Yeah, that's because of driver error.
And I just put all my wet clothes over in the car because I've
Tell
got
me,
pants
tell me,
wet,
the,
jumper
tell me the
wet,
story about that.
undies wet.
What happened there?
Well, the strap from the what do you call it?
The awning.
The awning was
Yep.
when I opened the door, it got stuck inside the door, and so it's rained obviously, and it's all got wet, and it's just
Dripped
been
inside the
dripping
car.
all into my bag.
So that's the
Okay.
little strap that hangs out to do with the awning.
Anyway,
And I got in the door, eh?
I've put them all out to dry.
Okay, alright. And did you get my clothes for me, did you?
I got you some clean undies because you
Ooh,
might need them,
Might need some clean undies.
and dry socks for tomorrow,
I'm showered.
and a clean shirt.
Oh, yep, no worries. Morning, Penny.
That was nice you asked.
So, Josh, the new Darshi swag, mate, did it have a bit of a leak, did it?
Yeah.
Penny got a bit wet. We had a bit of rain last night. What do you reckon? So what do you reckon in the seams?
Yeah, where the tie down with the peg.
So where do you reckon it's leaked down here? In here? So you don't reckon because the water was leaking coming off here?
Corner as well too.
Oh, was it?
It was all Falkland.
So what got wet, Penny? In there?
My pillow, the mattress,
Yeah.
my
right.
sleeping
I
bag.
think Chloe's corner's got a bit wet too in hers actually.
Yeah,
Because it
see?
would have just been poured. It's all like all the dirts and everything because it's poured and just splashed all up. See the end of her bed? It's all muddy.
Yeah. So it had a bit of a workout, really, didn't it?
Yeah.
Are you coming?
Oh, I thought you were taking it. No?
Josh got the fire going. This is a result of the water that came up
Yeah,
from
that's
up here.
alright.
It all bubbled in overnight, and we just pushed it out. But of course, it went for a run down the hill.
Chloe's swag bag's a bit wet.
It's cooking, good looking.
Bacon and eggs on a. Well, I'm having a BLT again.
A beer,
No.
beer, lettuce, and
Yeah.
tomato.
Yeah.
Cool. Mrs. Prado here, she's trying to work the hypo. It's a bit hypo.
Stupid
Hypo flame Coleman. That's the only problem with these. You can't turn them down enough, can you?
No.
Where's the cup stuck?
Oh, at the back of the car in that thing, darling. I've got one for Penny here. It's ready.
Look how much oil I've used, Josh. You see that?
You used 600 ml of oil.
Yep, it's a bit of oil, isn't it? That's good.
Yeah.
What's that about brushing your teeth?
This tastes funny.
Does it?
I'll just turn that off. Righto, we can make ours now.
Moved our chairs out to. We've got the fire on one side and we're sitting out on this side.
Happy Mother's Day to you.
Oh, thanks, Mum.
Yeah, Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, whoever you are. Ah. Whoever that voice is on the phone.
No, Mum cooked bacon and eggs.
Yeah, I cooked bacon. Hey, I cooked breakfast and I've washed up and now I'm wiping up. That's not the right way for
But I
Mother's Day.
packed up everyone else's swag.
Oh, you're a good bloke, Josh.
Chloe.
You're doing a good job, Shelley.
Yeah,
I
thanks.
will. I've just got to finish that
How are you been?
thing there,
Well, once this is done,
and
everything
then
can get packed up.
I'll roll
then.
that thing up.
Yeah.
So, the verdict is that there was a fair bit of rain last night, but Shelley did well. It's part of camping, isn't it? I suppose. The gear we've got that pushed it to the limits in relation to the rain. We've had the gazebo for a while because we took it to Cape York, so it probably got well and truly used at Cape York. But don't you hate it when they bubble? They bubble, and there's a lot of water that slips in there. I'm not sure what to do about that. We put one end down a little bit to try and keep the water out, but anyway, there was a fair bit of rain last night. And Penny's new swag had a bit of a leak on the seams. Ladies to the toilet. He's a nice fellow, isn't he? Yeah, so I think we stretched our equipment to the limits.
Right. Okay. Camping. Camping is good when it is not raining. When it is raining, camping sucks. Like
Well, it depends what you're in.
no, it doesn't matter.
No
Camping sucks when it rains.
Yeah.
In a trailer or a swag, it sucks just generally. So camping's good though, like this, not raining. But now it's mud. So, what do you reckon, Penny? Do you agree?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
agree.
she agrees. Josh, how was your night of camping?
That's the problem when you take
You
women
didn't get wet?
camping.
Oh,
Boys,
rubbish.
we don't care.
Oh, rubbish.
Hey, all right, ready? Prado, 150 out of here, ready? Prado,
150.
150
Outta
out of
here.
here.
Outta here.
Ah.
I know it's gay, but that's. You reckon Penny's gonna get it right? Yes, sis.
There's a look in there. Yeah, that'll do.
You're pretty good, aren't you, mate?
I'm pretty good. First try.
You're pretty good, Josh.
I am pretty good. Look at that.
I know.
Not bad for a peak holder.
Not bad, Josh. I'll give you a full mark.
Straight on. No help. Nothing.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming.
And if I
Just
come
gave
on a
Shelley
long
the tongs.
holiday,
And what was that comment you just made?
ugh, I
Oh
said,
yeah, I let you in the